Capacity of a rock to transmit fluid. Don't get porosity and permeability mixed up. Porosity is the amount of empty space or pore space you have, the holes that are there. You have pores in your skin, so it's the amount of empty space that's in there. Permeability is how well they are linked up together, those empty spaces. It's like empty rooms in the school. You've got a lot of empty space in those rooms. Well, permeability would be the doorways between those rooms. Can you go from one room to the next? And that's the ability of a rock to transmit the fluid. If it's got a lot of porosity, it can hold a lot of fluid, but it just doesn't move very easily. And things like shale, for instance, or mud or clays, they cannot transmit the fluids that might be in them because they're very fine grained, and when they lay down flat, those grains overlap like you make a house of cards and you flatten it down. They are the cards. I'm just going to draw these real fast. The cards will be overlapped like this, and so you may have a few pore spaces in there. For instance, like this little area in here. There's a little space there, but it can't get over to the next empty spaces. There's no link up there. And so this would be like clay, and where you get those laminations and shale, those nice flat areas. It doesn't allow, it's not permeable. We call it an impermeable material.